Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the rotation of a profile. Okay, so controller will be as well the Fanuc. So the program for this slot, okay, is made in program number 3536, which is a sub program. In that sub program we have to write M99 in place of M30. Okay, so this is a raw material of dimension 120 cross 120. Okay, this is the first profile which will put again in this box, then again this, then again this. Okay, so let's begin the program. 1 2 3 4 is the program number, then homing G28 G91 Z0 G28 G91 X0 Y0 40 54 80 90 G21 G94. Let's add this window S800 and for safety G0005, then coolant on G8. Then write the parameters. G68 is a coordinate rotation. X0, Y0, R0. Then call that program by writing M98, which means subprogram call. Okay, M99, 98, and that program number E3536. By writing this line properly made over here, then write again E68 F0 Y0 R90, then 98 335 36 here, then again G58 F0 Y0 R180, and then call the subprogram M98 335 36, then again G58 F0 Y0 270, then M98 335 36. Okay, then take the tool in positive direction. G0005 M5 is a spindle or M9 is a coolant of the homing G28 G91 Z0 G28 G91 X0 Y0 30. Okay, so your program starts from here and ends over here. This is the profile rotation. Okay, that's all for that.